Hola amigos, buenos dias. I'm just kidding, guys. You know, every time I say that, I'm always hearing this. I'm just kidding, guys. So, guys, I'm going to show you something that will really help you solve a Rubik's Cube. If you guys have a Rubik's Cube and you still haven't solved it, then this might be your thing. This is a game you really, or a thing that you really need. If you search up Rubik's, then there will be so many things you can find of Rubik's Cube, even Magic Cube Solver. So you need to, search up Rubik's in the comments, or like take a picture of right there, and then look. In this one, you can do all of those kinds of thingy. I think this is Rubik's because it lets you paint it. Oh no, they're all Rubik's the same. So guys, you guys need to get Rubik's right now. Search Rubik's in the App Store, or if you have to ask for permission, go to Safari, Rubik's, and then you'll find it. Hold up. Safari, then Rubik's.com, and you'll find this Rubik's Cube Solver 3.0, and you'll find Rubik's. You can paint it. So guys, let me give you a little tour by. Hold up, I have to do something with my Rubik's Cube, so that way I can do this. Okay guys, you guys ready? So we're going to start at the top. Okay, press the color you want, then do. I think it's the same thing with the other games. The reason I'm on this is because I have permission to ask my mother. So that's why I'm doing it right here. Okay, next. Green. Orange. Red. The reason you heard my Rubik's Cube is because I was doing the thing for this. Blue. Red. So download Rubik's, put Rubik's in the searching thing, and then you'll find a lot of things to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So if you guys found this helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Guess what? I'm having more fun. Guess what? More fun. Guess what? I'm having more fun. Okay guys, I think that's it. Let's go to my Rubik's Cube. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave it. Hello tiles, what do you mean? Oh, over here. Okay, sorry guys, that wood was gonna. Step 1. Do it clockwise. Because guys, the Roblox or the robot ones are $60. That's why they put apps, I think. Because the robot ones are $60. Guess what? I'm having more fun. So guys, I'll put part 2 to show you that I found my Rubik's Cube. That's because it's over here now. And if you guys forget where you have to put the thingy, then there's a back button on this app. Okay? Maybe there's backup buttons on all of them. I don't know. Guys, I did it. Okay, watch the short where I show you that I actually did it. Bye-bye.